Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all know, myself Anjali, pursuing my degree in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Here I am explaining sampling variables and central limit theorem in maths, which has the subject code BCS 301. First we will discuss about what is sampling variables and central limit theorem. We'll go to introduction part. First we will see agenda. In this, what we are going to discuss is introduction part, sampling, what is sampling variables, what is central limit theorems, key points of central limit theorem, importance of central limit theorem, and we will conclude the topics. Introduction. In mathematics, particularly in statistics, the probability theory, the concepts of sampling variables and central limit theorem, in short form we call it as CLT, are foundational in understanding how we make interfaces and about population based on sample data. Here is two ideas play a critical role in statistical analysis, allowing us to draw conclusions about large groups of individuals or phenomena even when we can't observe the entire population directly. The concept of sampling variables involves selecting a subset of elements called a sample from a larger group called a population to make conclusion about the entire population. And the central limit theorem is one of the most important and powerful concepts in probability and statistics. What is sampling variables? In statistics, the sampling variables refers to the variables or characteristics that we measure, observe or analyze from a sample of population. As already we discussed what is sample and what is population. Understanding these variables is essential in designing studies, collecting data and making inference about the larger population. Here we have another definition for sampling variables. In mathematics, sampling variables typically refers to the variables or elements involved in the process of sampling. Sampling is the process of selecting a subset from a larger population or set, often for purpose of statistical analysis. The concept of sampling is widely used in statistics, probability theory, and other areas of applied mathematics. Here are some key concepts related to sampling variables. In that, the first one is population, sample, sampling variable, and sampling distribution. Now we'll understand about central limit theorem. Definition of central limit theorem: it defines the state that when you take a larger enough sample size from any population with a finite mean and variance, the sampling distribution of this sample means will tend to approximate a normal, that is bell shaped as shown in the figure, distribution regardless of the original population's distribution. This holds true even if the population data is not normally distributed. Here I mentioned one formula which is used to calculate the central limit theorem, that is z is equal to x minus mean divided by, that is rho. We call it as standard deviation is also indicated with rho, and root of n. Here n tells us about number of populations. Next, key points of central limit theorem. First, sample size. For central limit theorem to hold, the sample size, often denoted by usually needs to be reasonably large. Sampling distribution of the mean. The theorem specifically applies the distribution of sample means, not individual data points. Why central limit theorem is important in mathematics? Normal approximate. CLT allows us to assume that sample means will be normally distributed, which makes it easier to apply statistical method such as hypothesis testing and confidence intervals. The second one is interference. Since we know that the distribution sample means approximates normality, we can use it to make interferences about the population mean, even if we do not know the entire population distribution. And the third one is practical application. The CLT underlines many statistical tests, confidence intervals, and predictions, making it essential for data analysis across fields such as economics, engineering, medicine, and social science. We will conclude the topic by the combination of understanding sample variables and the application of the central limit theorem empowers statistician to draw valid conclusion from a sample data, improving the accuracy and reliability of statistical analysis across the wide range of fields. The CLT provides a foundation for many statistical procedures, ensuring that interferences from sample data can be generalized to broader population. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you.